If you want to temporarily disable any kind of access to your garage door using a Guardian garage door opener, the easiest way is to use the lock feature on your wall button. If your wall button looks like this, all you have to do is press the lock button and it will automatically keep any remotes, keypads, or any other wireless signals from opening or closing your garage door. If you try and use your remote or keypad, this is what will happen. Having the lock button on also disables the wall button from working as well, which is a great feature if you have curious little ones who like to press buttons and find a way to reach the wall button. To unlock, simply push the button back like that, and now your remote, keypad, and wireless connections will work again. If you have any problems with your garage door or garage door opener, please contact us today. We can help.